Hello everyone, this is Gary, a tennis import and export manager. And today we're quotation for PP isolation guns. You can say PP isolation guns. Several months before, this PP isolation gun has huge demand. In fact, this demand was the same today. The reason everyone knows, COVID-19. Okay, the yellow and blue color is the most used colors. Today we are quotation based on the different GSM with the different price. You can check my quotations. Okay, PP materials in fact is cannot use in a medical environment, and this isolation gun is made by hand. So check all informations. If you are interested and leave the comment to me or contact me or go to our website to check the details. Okay. If you like this presentation way, please help me to click the like buttons and subscribe our channels to support us to doing more videos and updates. Okay, next time we'll talk about the real medical isolation guns. See you.